To all of my friends and associates around the world, I want to say thank you. My heart is full of gratitude as I consider the extraordinary progress that we've accomplished in this past year. Truly, 2016 was exceptional by almost any standard. In the number of new Presidential Club members, new Diamonds, and new Chairman's Club members, the company reached an all-time high. In the level of commissions the company paid to leaders throughout the world. In the number of offices and markets open around the world, the company reached a new all-time high. In the most important category that I watch, the number of active distributors striving to build a new life for themselves, the company reached a new all-time high. And in the number of people who enjoyed and benefited from our science-based products, yes, the company reached a new all-time high. And remember, each of you played a pivotal role in making that possible. So thank you, thank you, thank you. 2016 was great, but 2016 is over and gone. It's in the past. And while we should celebrate a little and learn a lot from the past, it is in the present that we live. So here we are at the beginning of a new year, 2017. A new chance for each of us to become a little better, a little stronger and smarter, to achieve more and to serve more. Don't you just love life? Every day is a gift, a chance to make a difference in your world. A new year is a time to really dig deep in our hearts about what we want to be and do in our lives. At Unicity, we want every person to grow toward being their best self. And we want the company to grow toward being the best it can be too. Now the truth is that growth equals change. So we're excited about the changes happening within our Unicity family. Our global convention format changed this year, and I've heard much positive feedback. The distributors love the focus on recognition and product innovation. We are completely committed to being the very best in our market categories, and so our investment in R&D will continue. Additionally, we have committed huge resources to extend our market reach, both in terms of geography and technology. We are determined to support our leaders with the very best business platform available anywhere in the world. Our product line has changed. We launched a number of new products at the convention, and we're excited about the reception they received from the distributors. Already these new products are creating a strong start to the new year, and some of them will be launching in your markets in the months ahead. In our desire to keep our product line fresh and cutting edge, there will be products that will of necessity be replaced, upgraded, or eliminated. I've asked our science people to do a thorough review and present to me their recommendations as soon as possible. In the meantime, what hasn't changed is our mission to make life better. As I think about the future, there are two goals in my mind: 10,000 diamonds. Some might ask, why are we so passionate at Unicity about this goal of 10,000 diamonds? The answer is simple. The world needs more people who can make commitments to themselves and keep them. The world needs more people who have sacrificed their time to build up those around them. And the world needs more people who have undergone personal change and then shared their learnings with others. We're not striving for 10,000 diamonds simply because it means something for Unicity. We believe in 10,000 diamonds because that goal represents that the world has changed 10,000 times. The next goal on my mind is a much bigger number. The number I have in mind is 100 million. 100 million families. I believe that we, all of us at Unicity, can help over 100 million families fundamentally change their approach to health by gaining the knowledge, habits, and products they need to thrive. Many of us have experienced the change that comes when we experience the Unicity products. Some of us have built upon that change by improving our personal habits of exercise and eating. My hope is that in 2017, we, as a community, will focus more on our personal health and share that gift with others who are in need of what we have access to as a part of the Unicity community. The saying is, change yourself and you can change the world. I challenge you to focus on improving your own health in 2017, so that together we can help millions of families across the world do the same thing. Join me in this quest to really make a difference in our world, and start by changing the way we care for ourselves. In conclusion, let me just say again how much I appreciate you and all that you do to support our mission. I hope that each of you have a year in 2017 that is filled with growth and achievement and the overcoming of obstacles, which is the source of all growth and achievement. I further hope that you can sense and become an even more committed partner in our cause, a cause that is moving and changing and growing and finally really coming into its own. Thank you.